Hello, you guys. It's me again, Amy with Black Swan, back again with another wig review slash tutorial. And this time we are using the company MsLynnHair. They sent me this wig with a couple of goodies inside the box. And yeah, like the lashes, the adjustable strap that can be installed into the hair, and then a information card on hair care and company information and stuff. So this wig is a 4x4 and it's a straight texture lace wig. So it has adjustable straps and then the combs on the front, back, and on the sides. So to do this look, I am going to divide the hair in the front. I'm just taking I really can't say how much. I'm just taking a piece of the front part and I'm just going on the part that's included in the lace. The front part of the lace of the wig. Whew, child, my brain. So I'm taking that. I'm just gonna go ahead and separate that and make sure I'm stopping at the end of the lace. So you know, it's just the part that I chose. And then also it's just going to look better aesthetically if, I just go with the separation of the lace. So I'm just taking some regular bleach. This bleach is the L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength High Performance Powder Bleach. And then I use 40 Developer. And I made sure that I pinned down some foil, and it's such a small section. It was super easy to do, like super duper easy. I'm not even wearing gloves. You should wear gloves. I didn't, but you should. So I went ahead and did that. You see, I'm using the T-pin to secure the foil because I'm just really not that crafty when it comes to the technique of dyeing hair. I just basically slap on bleach, as you can see. So I'm just taking that, I'm brushing it through the front part, and I am taking it all the way to the root of the lace because I do like the super distinct streak, but it's not going to be as blonde as the other wig that I promoted not that long ago. If you go back in my playlist, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I had another jet black wig and it had like a skunk streak in it. So that's what inspired me to do another wig. But that wig, I feel like not enough hair was dyed blonde. So that's why I decided to try it out with this one. So yeah, it's pretty easy. I'm just taking the hair and making sure that I am generously placing bleach all over that front part. I want to make sure that it's evenly distributed all the way from root to tip. Very, very easy to do. It honestly was like the quickest wig change I could do. And then, like I said, I make sure that the bleach is saturated all the way through this hair, even on the root of it where the lace is. So after that, I'm going to make sure that I close this up. I'm going to tuck it in foil. I'm putting it to bed. It's taking a nap. And wrapping the foil around because, I need the bleach to process this hair as fast as possible. So leaving the bleach on too long will damage the hair. Okay, so after 40 minutes, about 40-50 minutes, this is how the hair looks like. I was going to take it off sooner, but I feel like this is good enough. So I'm going to take 2 bottles of 20 Developer and this box color that I got from Wella Color Charm, and I'm going to be using that. So I just did that. I just bought it that way so I wouldn't have to measure anything because, you're supposed to do double the amount of toner versus the color. So I didn't have to measure anything. I just went and put the color in there and then both of the bottles of toner, and then it was measured out perfectly. Make sure you mix it up really good. And just do the same process you did with the bleach. Just going ahead and going from root to tip, saturating the hair, and I promise you'll have more than enough product. If you bought the exact same amount of product I did, you're going to have a whole bunch left over, which is okay, because you rather have too much than not enough. So yeah, I'm just taking that and going through all of the hair, and then I'm gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes. Okay, so this is the final look of the hair, and I feel like it turned out so freaking cute. And the really cute thing about this wig is that I can literally like pop it on and pop it right off, because you know it's not a full lace, it's, you know, it's just like a pickaboo lace or whatever. So yeah, I just went ahead and wanded, is that a word? I used my wand to curl the wig, and I did put my hot comb to like train the part. But yeah, like that was like super easy. And then on top of it, it's like an adjustable coloring thing. It's super easy coloring thing. You saw I didn't even like use gloves because like the space was so small. I just literally took the brush and went and slapped it on the wig. And so it was fast, it was quick, it was inexpensive. Because like the small bottles were like $2 a piece, and then the hair dye, the toner was like what, $7 or $8. So it was inexpensive, and it's a cute little way to like adjust, and you kind of like restyle your wig. So if you have a black wig, that'll be like a cute way to like freshen it up if you want to like change the style on there. Then on top of it, you don't have to use the same Wella toner that I use. You can use something lighter, or however you want to do it, or just color it a whole different color. Like you can lift it and then like dye it blue or purple or pink or whatever. So yeah, it's just real cute, real simple. Okay, so my final thoughts on the hair is that if you're one of the people that don't like super duper thick wigs, this is a really good one, because it's not thin, but it's not thick, if that makes any sense. It's a light wig. It's a very lightweight wig. And you know what I'm going to say? The hair is fine. So this is all the hair to the front. And because I know some of y'all don't like y'all stuff like super duper thick. So this is a good one. This is like a really good hat wig too, because like it'll lay down really good. It won't bulk up a whole lot. And this cap, it's adjustable. I'm not sure if it's big head friendly though, because it's fitting on me kind of snug. So when you go to the website, make sure that you are buying your size or whatever. Like just don't get whatever. Like pay attention to the cap size on the wigs, because I noticed this one, it did fit my head kind of like perfectly. And like I said before in my other videos, I do have a small head, so be aware of that if you are gonna order this wig. Yeah, the only thing that I did make a mistake about when I colored it is that I forgot to protect the lace when I was adding the toner. And that's one thing you need to do. You need to spray the lace with like Gots to Be hairspray, or some type of hairspray that has like a super hard, like a really hardcore holding spray. Like protect your lace, spray it on the lace first, then go ahead and do the coloring. Or when you get really close to the wig, you'll see the tiny knots, because my knots were gone, they were invisible. And then I didn't protect the lace, but you really can't see it. So I'm not like upset about messing up on that, because like it's still cute, girl. So yeah, I love it. I'm so happy that this wig turned out really nicely. Maybe you can try this at home. This is like a forgiving, real easy type of dye job you can do on your wig. So if I were you, I wouldn't be afraid of doing it, because it's a small area. And then on top of it, if it doesn't work out, you can just dye it back. The area is so small, you're not even gonna see the difference. Okay, so like, don't be afraid of doing something like this. It's fun and it's cute. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope this video helped you on some way, shape, or form on spicing up your wig or your next wig purchase. Thank y'all guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.